Hey, do you want to be greatest? Do you want to be obsessed? Do you want to do accomplish your work? Do you want to be valuable man in your society? Do you want to be valuable man in your country, in the world? I know you want to be like that, but you cannot because of you feel bored, you feel tired, and you feel unconfident. I'd say every people feel like you, and if you take massive action, no one care that if someone criticize you, if someone blame you anywhere, any way, never care them. You need to take massive action to yourself. Doesn't care what other people say. And therefore, I would say that you need to take massive action. If you are thinking about, like, every people thinking about success is different. Maybe this is the one thing that no one argue with me. No one do argue with me because I would say that taking massive action, taking doing a hard work is this part of the successful people do. So if you are thinking about that success happened immediately, um, success happened hypothetically, you are in, maybe you are in your wrong thought, you are in your wrong thinking. So you need to take massive action, and thereafter you will get your result, your overcome. So how do you be taker, extra action taker, massive action taker, just not action taker, massive action, extreme action you need to take. So number one is create your schedule. Every successful people has schedule, even has Elon Musk, has Bill Gates. They have schedule, routine. They spend their day according to them routine. So therefore, you need to create your one routine. Write down on paper 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. I do exercise. 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I do this type of thing, this work. So whatever, 8, 9, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. I need to learn more. I need to seeking knowledge. So create your schedule that your life will spend according to your routine, and never forget your routine. So number two is breaking them into smaller. So if you don't understand what is the breaking them into smaller, you need to just, when you create routine, here there is exercise, there is a maybe learning part, like study. Let's say you write. Okay, I'm just giving you two example. You write down on your routine, studying and how to exercise. So if you write down like studying 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., you write down that study is the main subject there, and there is a lot of object like studying. What do you study? Like biology, write down biology. Like entire study would be 30 minutes, and object would be like biology 10 minutes, chemistry 10 minute, math 10 minutes, and 30 minutes done. So do that. It's breaking them into smaller, like exercise. I'm hoping I will make sense you. I did make sense to you. So number three is stay consistent. If you already feel bored, like when you do same thing over and over again, when you same thing do um, over and over again, same way entire life, you feel bored. I know. So if you feel bored, control that. Stay consistent. Never bored, never tired. Like that. Like those type of thing. So I'm hoping you will get something from this video. If you are beneficial from this video, write down comment to what kind of video you want in the next video. So I'm hoping you will stay with me forever, and until that, happy hunting. See you in the next video.